Great video has always needed great audio. Now, you can get both at a price that works for everyone. Introducing the MicRig. The MicRig is a professional video handle with a built-in broadcast quality stereo microphone. Stabilizing grips are an essential video tool, necessary for capturing low, stable shots of skateboarding, snowboarding, motocross, and other action. Until now, bulky and expensive workarounds were required to get high-quality audio for these hard-to-capture action shots. The MicRig changes all this. Just mount your camera, GoPro or smartphone, plug it into the handle, and you're ready to go. The MicRig includes adapters and cables to work with nearly any recording device. From DSLRs, camcorders, and mirrorless cameras to smartphones and GoPros, the MicRig features a resilient, lightweight ABS housing, cushioned NBR padded grip, a rigorously point-tested structural design, and two integrated 9.7mm condenser mics. No need for an expensive separate external microphone. The MicRig captures all your audio in high fidelity. But the most revolutionary part of the MicRig is the price. This unique product is only available through Kickstarter at a special price for early backers. This limited time offer puts you light years ahead of anything else on the market and takes your video production to a brand new level. Whether you're covering action shots, run and gun film shoots, or professional events, the MicRig has you covered. Please back us now to ensure this innovation makes it into your life.